Today, we're going south of the border with my Mexican Bratwurst Dog and BBQ Tostones. I'm getting hungry. I don't know about you guys. Vámonos. Brown up some Mexican chorizo. Once the chorizo is cooked through, we remove it from the pan and reserve the fat. Onion and garlic into the pan, as well as tomato paste, sofrito, paprika, and chili powder. Saute and brown to lightly caramelized and deglaze with a Mexican amber cerveza. San Marzano tomatoes into the pan, and back in goes the brown chorizo. We add Worcester, salt, pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. Continue to cook for 10 minutes and season the taste with salt and pepper. Quick and fresh pico de gallo, tomato, red onion, serrano pepper, lime juice, cilantro, and season the taste with salt and pepper. Stir, stir, stir your bowl until well incorporated. For our tostones, we lightly brown unripened green plantain. We flatten the plantain with the back of a spatula, fry a second time until crispy crunchy. Lightly toss with a barbecue dry rub, and voila, barbecue tostones. Grill the gourmet bratwurst about 5 to 6 minutes on each side until golden brown, plump, and cooked through. Use top sliced hot dog buns so you can fit more fixins. Toasty. Avocado? Check. Chorizo chili? Pico de gallo? Chipotle aioli? Crispy shallots? Barbecue tostones? Check, check, check. Yo quiero Mexican Bratwurst Dog. See. Omaha Steaks, America's original butcher.